So I'm going to show you kind of how to do the state report and what I want. So each day you're going to do 1 page of your outline. So today is day 1, so it's your first page. Now it's a lot. So if you don't finish all of it today, that is okay because tomorrow it's a shorter page. But on Google Classroom, you would have probably noticed by now that there's 2 different state reports that are open. So the first one is your state report helpful websites. These are going to have lots of good information for everything that you might need to find. Personally, my favorite that I think a lot of kids have gotten most of their information from in the past is NetState. I think it is one of the better options. Okay, the other option that you have is to use Google. Now, Wikipedia is not an option. So the other thing you could do is go to Google. Well, I am on Google. I was about to just Google. That's silly. Now, the other thing you have to do is because you are not coming up with any of this information on your own, this is all information that has been already put together for you to use. In order to not plagiarize, you need to show your works cited page. So for number 1, in which part of the U.S. does your state lie? North, south, southwest, etc. Well, if none of you are doing Indiana, so if I come over here to I have to come down here to Indiana. Let me see. Perfect. Indiana. If I go to geography, it will show me that it is in, if I look over here, I'm going to say it's in the Midwest. So what I would do on this line is write Midwest. Now, I can't type onto the paper right now, and I think it's more important that you guys see my screen, which is why I'm showing you my screen versus this. So I would write Midwest. Now, I found that information for question 1 on this page. So I have to come up here. I have to copy your link and come over here and paste it right here. That shows me that's where you found this information. So now, give the states, countries, bodies, or water that border your state and give directions for each. Example, if your state happens to be Wyoming, Montana to the north. So we know for Indiana, we have Michigan to the north, Ohio to the east, Kentucky to the south, Illinois to the west, and then we have Lake Michigan also touches Indiana. So I would write all of those things down on this line. You're gonna have to write a little small, okay? But do you see that all of that is right here, actually, if I highlight it? Perfect. So I already copied and pasted this website. So if I come over here and copy and paste it, it's going to be the exact same one. Now, hold on. Okay. It's the exact same one. You can get in the habit, if you want, of copying and pasting every single thing, even if it's the same. That's fine with me. But notice, if I were to have found it on state maps, let's just pretend I found it on, hold on, actually, let me go to home of Indiana. Indiana's, oh goodness, I'm going crazy. No big deal. Okay, the state of Indiana. If I come up here and I found something on this website, notice that it's different. So each page in each website has a different URL, a different website name. So you need to make sure you cannot just put NetState. That does not show me where you got the information. You have to actually literally type in or copy every different page of each website that you find. So for today, what I want you to do is I want you to do this first page, the size of state and population. That means how many people live in the state. The ranking and population with other states is, does it have the most people? So if I come over here to Indiana's ranking in population with other states. So see, 38th by area and 17th most populous of the United States. That means it's the 17th biggest populated of the United States. But do you see how that's Wikipedia? I don't want to use that. So if we go to like this, U.S. populations by rank info, please. I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones that I have for you. Okay, this is another really good website. If we come down here to, I would have to find Indiana. Oh, perfect. The state rank is 17, and this is how many people live there. So this number, 6,732,219, goes in my size of state and population. The ranking and population is this, I don't even know what this ad is this 17, whoops, and that goes in ranking with other states. So I would come over here, I would copy, paste. For you, it might be different. And then there's another one. State nickname. A lot of your states are going to have several nicknames. There probably will only be one motto. So just this first page today, that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. I know getting into research is kind of hard and can definitely be difficult and confusing. So I want to be able to help as much as possible. And I can help you find pages of websites if you need specific help. I will not do this whole research project for you though. So don't hesitate to email me if you are confused about anything. I am happy to help as much as I can. So happy research.